Still wasting hours doing repetitive tasks? Here are 5 AI tools that will literally change the way you work in 2025. From writing emails to building presentations, these tools will save you time, boost your productivity, and maybe even replace some of your current apps. Let's dive in. First up, Notion AI. This tool turns plain notes into smart, structured content. It can summarize meetings, create task lists, and even write blog posts for you. If you're a student, a content creator, or a team leader, Notion AI helps you stay organized and efficient. Next, ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's more than just a chatbot. It can help you write better emails, generate code, brainstorm ideas, and even build entire projects. Want to automate your workday? ChatGPT is your best assistant. Need voiceovers that sound human? 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic voices in many languages, perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, or audiobooks. No need to hire voice actors anymore. Just type your script and press play. Forget boring PowerPoint slides. Gamma turns simple prompts into stunning slide decks. It's fast, easy, and great for marketers, teachers, and business teams. Just type your idea and let Gamma build the visuals. And finally, Claude 3 by Anthropic. This advanced AI model is great for deep thinking tasks, like analyzing documents, writing essays, and doing research. Some users even preferred over ChatGPT for complex jobs. That's it. 5 powerful AI tools to boost your productivity in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech content every week.